Now again, x and x, what times what is 1 over 9? Well, I know that 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 is 1 over 9. And what about 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3? That's 2 over 3, isn't it? Which is what we have in the middle. So I know that 1 over 3 and 1 over 3 is the right set of combinations. So I'm going to put 1 over 3 there and 1 over 3 there. It's both going to be positive because they're all positive. Okay, so I don't have to worry about the negative signs. Cross multiply. I'll first of all rub this out so we get a bit more room. So 1 over 3x, that times that, 1 over 3x. And if you add them together, we know that 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is 2 over 3, so 2 over 3x, which is what we have in the middle. So always make sure you check those. So it's going to be x plus 1 over 3, x plus 1 over 3, which is x plus 1 over 3 squared. Okay, so even if you get a fraction, even if you get a decimal, you pretty much do the same thing, okay? But just leave it as a fraction form, that's perfectly fine. So question 90, okay, we've got another fraction, but again, guys, keep it the same way. We know that a quarter is a half times a half, and because we have a negative, we must have negative half and negative half, because negative makes a positive. Now, x and x on our left, negative half and negative half on our right, cross multiply. We've got negative half x, cross multiply. And then negative half minus a half is negative 1, so negative 1x, negative x, which is same as that. So we've got the right set, so we get x minus a half and x minus a half, which is x minus a half squared, okay, because it's a perfect square. This time we've got a decimal, but as we did for fractions, just keep it the same way. Just consider it as a decimal. So guys, we've got 0.01. What squared is that? Well, it's going to be 0.1 times 0.1, isn't it? But we've got a positive here, so we don't have to worry about any signs. So I'm going to put my x and x, and 0.1, 0.1. Okay, and cross multiply, stick the x in the front. And we know that 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.2. So we've got 0.2x, and it must be the same as this. So we've got x plus that, so it's x plus 0.1 squared. Okay? Exactly the same. Just keep it in this decimal form because the question is in decimal form. So trying to keep it the same form as the question. Okay? And that's pretty much it. That was some perfect squares.